Assalamu alaikum. I am just recording this video so that I can show you that you can record your Zoom sessions while you are taking it from your phone with the help of a screen recorder. So let me show you. As you can see, my screen is being recorded with the help of a screen recorder. So let me start a Zoom session. I'm starting a new meeting. Start a meeting. Okay, as you can see, each and everything is being recorded. You can definitely listen my voice. That's mean my voice is being recorded. Let me show you my camera as well. So then you can see that my camera is also, my video is also being recorded. So with the help of screen recorder, if I'm taking a session from a phone, so you can see you can record each and everything. Let me show you all the options so that you can understand that I am in a session and it is being recorded. I can show you each and every option. For example, if I want to see the participants, if any hand is raised so I can see, or if I mute anybody, if I invite anybody, so you can see each and everything. Whatever I am doing in a Zoom session, it is recorded. Even I can do a chat, and that chat will also be recorded, right? So this is whatever, in short, whether you are sharing any screen, whether you are playing any ppt, whether you are recording, you are showing any video in your session, each and everything will be recorded with the help of screen recorder. So first, though I do not recommend you to take sessions from your phone, I always recommend, but highly recommend, to use your laptops, because as far as Zoom sessions are concerned, it is more about interaction with the students. So interaction is not only when you are speaking and the students are speaking. It is more about when you are providing them some visual support as well, right? And for that, laptops are definitely more user friendly than mobile phones. While as far as ppt sharing is concerned, as far as any other function is concerned, so it is always recommended if you use your laptop, right? So but in case of emergency, you have to use your phone. So please do record your Zoom sessions from your phone with the help of a screen recorder, as I am doing in front of you. So this is a tutorial for you that you can do it. So and one more thing I would like to say in the last of my video, why recording video is very important, not only for the requirement of the school that I have asked to do so, but it is very important for yourself as well. But before that, I would like to discuss which screen recorder I am using. So let me show you that as well. You can simply go to Google Store. You all are very tech savvy, so you need not to guide each and everything. I'm just letting you know what is the name of the screen recorder. The name of the screen recorder is X Recorder, right? So if you open X Recorder, it will be something like this, right? When you install it, it will ask you for some permission. You can allow it, and then it will ask you for audio. In the setting, you have to go to audio, and in the audio section, you need to select record audio and internal voice both. So if you record this, so each and every voice, whether it is coming from your phone or you are recording, your voice is going into the phone, everything will be recorded, right? So this is how you can record your Zoom sessions while you're taking it from your phone. Now, very importantly, why it is necessary. We have discussed many times that reflections and reflective practices are extremely necessary for our 21st century teachers. If we really want to develop ourselves, if we really want to improve ourselves, it is very necessary we should open for feedbacks, and we can reflect on ourselves more effectively than others. So if you are recording your sessions, it is recommended if you watch it after your session, or sometimes after, whenever you are free, so you can see how do I look on the session, whether my session was smooth, whether the participants were enjoying my session, my voice was clear, how was my body language, how was my expressions, I was confused, I was enjoying myself, I was spreading positivity in the session. What is happening? Maybe I was missing some chats. When you are rewatching your video in the recording session, you can see, oh my god, students were raising hand, and I was involved in something else with my content, and I missed that part. Maybe they might have some questions that I need to answer. So you will think about, next time I will use this strategy, and I will keep on opening the chat so that I can respond to students effectively, right? So maybe students were doing, they are writing something on the screen with the help of annotation, and I just ignored because I was involved with the content. So every fault or every good thing that you can observe, you will observe after the session in the recording session. So it will be a reflection session. You will reflect on yourself, you will make better strategies, and with a bit of time you will see you will be improving. So please do record your sessions for the school as it is required, and for yourself, which is more important. So if you still have any questions, please do ask with me. Please don't ignore this, and record your all the session on Drive. In storing that in Drive, if you have still any problem, please do ask, because it is extremely necessary that we have each and every session recorded. Thank you so much.